Hello everyone, I am Deepika Tedke from MVP's Deputy School, College of Engineering, Nashik. I am Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Engineering. So today we will see the topic under the subject. The subject name is Information System and Engineering Economics. So basically what is information and what is systems? Okay. Information is nothing but a collection of data. Okay, so let's see the topic, basic concepts of information system. Information system. Information system is an accumulation of two different terms as explained below. First term is information. Information simply means processed data or data which can be converted into meaningful and useful form for a specific user. Okay, means in a marketing, when we survey, basic example of information, when we survey any product, means selling price, product demand in a market. So basic example is a marketing will be survey and analyze the data and provide in the form of information, meaningful data to the for specific user. So this is information system. The system can be explained in the following ways. System can be defined as a set of elements joined together for a common object. A group of interrelated or interacting elements forming a unified whole. Example, business organization as a system. A group of interrelated components working together towards a common goal by accepting input and producing output in an organized transformation process. So, this is information and system. Means we can say the system can be defined in a set of elements joined together. For example of the systems are marketing system, management information system, or a group of interrelated or interacting elements for unified whole. Example already given in PPT, business organization as a system. Let's see the basic of what is information. Information is an increment in knowledge. It contributes to the general framework of concepts and facts that we know. Information is an increment in a knowledge. Basically, when we take input, when we process on input, we get some output. That is again, this process is called as information. So, we collect the data, we process on that data, and we provide the meaningful data for a specific user. That we know, that facts we know. Information relies on the context and recipient's general knowledge for its significance. Data. Data are only the raw facts, the material for obtaining information. Information system use data stored in a computer database to provide needed information. A database is an organized collection of interrelated data reflecting a major aspects of a firm's activities. When we store a system, we use databases, number of databases, and under the database we get the organized collection of meaningful data, or we can say the sorted data we retrieve from databases. So this is the concept of data. Next, in data, information systems captures data from the organization, that is internal data, and its environment, that is external data. They store the database items over an extensive period of time. Hence we store the database for particular time, or we can say for an extensive period of time. When specific information is needed, the appropriate data items are manipulated as necessary, and the user receives the resulting information. In a databases, we use structured query languages, MySQL. Means when some particular user wants particular data, specific information, when he needed, at that time, he will get or she will get the data, receives the resulting information. For this, depending on the type of information system, the information output may take the form of query response, decision outcome, expert system advice, transaction document, or report. There are different types of information system like decision support system, management information system, transaction processing system. So these are the examples of types of information system used in organizations. Okay, if you take the one example, transaction processing system, when we transact, it provides the report daily basis, week basis, and monthly basis. Means all the transactions are saved in processed and system provided transaction processing system information. Next is formal information system or procedures established and accepted by organization practice for collecting, storing, manipulating, and accessing data in order to obtain information. When we collect the data, obviously store in a databases and manipulate it. Means unused data we manipulate and accessing data in order to obtain the information, meaningful data. Formal systems do not have to be computerized, but today they usually are. Informal information system also exists within an organization, interpersonal networking, water cooler, etc. Next is, what are the different attributes of quality information? We all know now what is information, meaningful data, correct? So, timely available when needed and not outdated when made available, correct? Means when we want the data, it available at any time. Complete includes all the users needs to know about the situation where the information will be used. Means accuracy, consistency, basic properties of information. Concerns does not include elements unneeded by the user. Relevant has direct bearing on situation. Precise offers quantitative information with a degree of exactness appropriate to the underlying data. Form the level of detail, tabular versus graphic display, and quantitative versus qualitative form are selected in accordance with the situation, internal and external information. So these are the attributes of quality information. Next, we will see the what is information. Now, next part is systems. An information system is a specific type of a system in general. A system is a set of components, subsystems that operate together to achieve certain objectives. The objective of a system are realized in its output. In particular, the objective of an information system is to provide the appropriate output to the members of the organization. Now, this is the second part of information system. Two terms, first is information and second is system. Now, in the next part of this video, we will see what is this system, what are the different components of information system. So, this is all about the basic of information. In next video, we will detail study about systems and its components.